Welcome to the Fiesta Life. In today's video, I will show you how to get to the town of Moalboal from Mactan International Airport in Cebu, as well as how to do the famous Sardine Run in Panagsama Beach. From the airport, we took a grab car towards the Cebu South Bus Terminal Station. The trip cost us 350 pesos. Grab is a ride-sharing service similar to Uber in other countries. From the bus terminal, we hopped on an air-conditioned Ceres bus with the sign Bato, Barili, Moalboal. The ride cost us 140 pesos each. The journey will take approximately 3 to 4 hours depending on traffic conditions. Halfway through the trip, the bus will stop at a local open-air restaurant we call Carinderia. When we arrived to the town of Moalboal, we rode a local mode of transportation called the tricycle. It is basically a motorcycle with an attached sidecar compartment to carry 2 to 4 or more people. The ride from the bus stop to our hotel cost 300 pesos. After dropping our luggage in the hotel, we rented a motorbike to get around town. The motorbike rental cost us 500 pesos for 24 hours. To do the famous Sardine Run, you need to get to Panagsama Beach. All you need is a snorkel set and you are ready to see millions of sardines that flock the surrounding reef. Swim a few meters from the shore, and once the reef drops, you'll be greeted with a sight to behold. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, and share it. Stay tuned for more of our Cebu adventures. I'll see you in the next one.